My dear student, here is the next lesson of class plus 1 Hornbill book. This is the Browning version. It's by Terence Rattigan. Let's start up with author first. Sir Terence Rattigan was a British dramatist. He was one of England's most popular mid-20th century dramatists. His plays are typically set in an upper middle class background. He wrote The Winslow Boy, the Browning version, The Deep Blue Sea, and Separate Stable, among many others. Here is an overview of this extract. This lesson is a short extract from the play The Browning version, written by Terence Rattigan, and you will get 4 characters in this play. The first, the main character, Taplow, 16-year-old boy. He is a student. Second is Mr. Frank, a young science teacher. Third, Mr. Crocker Harris, a middle-aged school master. He is of literature. Millie, she is Mrs. Crocker Harris. This play starts with Taplow's arrival in the school to do extra work because he was called by Mr. Crocker Harris for any extra class, and when he arrived there he meets Frank and then they both engage in conversation. While Taplow waits for Mr. Harris because Mr. Harris was not there and he was waiting for him, then during that time he got engaged in conversation with Mr. Frank, who was a science teacher. And at the last, later, Aunt's Millie, means Mrs. Crocker Harris, came there, and Mrs. Crocker Harris who talks to Taplow. I have made some notes for your better understanding, my dear. So the very first character, Taplow, you know what kind of student he was? As I told you, he was a 16 years old boy. And what kind of student he was? He was very submissive student. How we come to know about his submissiveness? When at the starting, when the play begins, you will see Taplow was in the school. Even the day was off for others, but he was present in school. Why? Because he was called by his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, for any extra class. So it shows he is submissive student. And then further, when you will just see this, when you will read this conversation between Frank and Taplow, you will come to know about that. He loves science subject. He doesn't love his literature. Why he doesn't love literature? He just discussed 2 words, 2 heavy words. I want to draw your attention toward these words. The first one is Agamemnon. Agamemnon, this is a name of the book, literature book. And it is written by Aeschylus, who wrote this book. Aeschylus, why he doesn't like? Due to its heavy vocabulary, because he thinks that the heavy vocabulary that is beyond his reach, he can't get that vocabulary. That's why he doesn't like literature. Special Aeschylus. Clear? When you will just thoroughly read this play, you will come to know about that he loves and respects his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. Why? What incident shows it? Because when Frank instigated him and he was enjoying the criticism of Crocker Harris. As you will see, Taplow, he started imitating Mr. Crocker Harris, how he talks in the class, how he tells a joke, everything. And Mr. Frank, he was enjoying that. Fine. And he was saying to Taplow to repeat it, to do it again. So it means, but at the last, as he reveals that he loves and he respects Mr. Crocker Harris. The next character, it's also main character, Mr. Crocker Harris. It's true that you will not find Mr. Crocker Harris in this whole play. He was not present. He was somewhere else. But the whole play means that was focused on Mr. Crocker Harris, because the conversation took place between Frank and Taplow. That was regarding Mr. Crocker Harris only. They were talking about Mr. Crocker Harris. Fine, so it's also main character. And what we come to know about after reading this play, he was laborious, hardworking, and true teacher. How he was laborious? Because he was ready to work in holidays also, when it was off for others, and he was ready. His focus was only the betterment of the student. He was hardworking. He was true teacher. How true teacher? Because Tableau reveals this, like this is the only teacher, means Mr. Crocker Harris is only the teacher who declares the result on result declaration day. Fine. Even he just gives the marks according to the student. What student deserve according to their hard work. Fine. So that's why he says he's laborious, hardworking, and true teacher. And he comes in that category. See, my dear, two types of people are there. Two types of teachers are there. The first one who comes in this teaching profession by their choice. Fine. And this category loves their profession a lot. Clear? Second category, you will find that kind of people who just comes in this profession by chance. So Frank comes in that category. But Mr. Crocker Harris, he comes in which category? Who opt this profession by their choice. Fine. However, he is not present in the extract of the play, but many good qualities have been exposed. Who exposed his good qualities? It was exposed by Tableau when he was conversing with Frank. And as we already discussed, that his focus is students' betterment only, nothing else. He has got nothing to do with anyone. उसको कोई लेना देना नहीं था कि कुछ कोई क्या कह रहा उसके बारे में, क्या नहीं कह रहा, बच्चे उसको पसंद कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे, वो किसी का फेवरेट है कि नहीं है. No, he has got nothing to do with anyone. Fine. And he doesn't believe in favoritism, as I already told you. Like he has got nothing to do with anyone. He doesn't believe in favoritism means उसको कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि बच्चे उसको पसंद करते हैं या उसको क्रूल, खड़ूस, ये ऐसे वर्ड तो नहीं यूज़ करते. His focus was only students' betterment, nothing else. And he is not sadist person. Sadist, I want to make this word clear. Sadist, what does mean of this word? Sadist उसको कहते हैं कि जो दूसरों को पेन पहुंचा के खुद खुश हो. ठीक है, वो ऐसा टीचर नहीं था कि बच्चों की खूब पिटाई करके उसको सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती थी. नो, ही डजंट कम इन दैट कैटेगरी. ही वॉज हार्ड, ही वॉज स्ट्रिक्ट, बट ही नेवर beat, he never punish any student. Fine. Let's come to the next character, that is Frank. Some of the things already I discussed in Mr. Crocker's slide. Frank, he came in this teaching profession by chance. So latter means second category, who comes in this teaching profession by chance. By chance means मजबूरी से, और जो मजबूरी से किया हुआ काम कभी भी उसकी प्रोडक्टिव आउटपुट कभी भी नहीं आती. He was dishonest person. How we can say he was dishonest person? Because he doesn't love what he does. Because he reveals that he doesn't like science, as he teaches science to the student, but he reveals he doesn't like science. So in this way, अगर हम किसी चीज़ को, जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, उसको हम पसंद ही नहीं करते, तो हम उसके साथ कभी भी जस्टिस नहीं कर पाएंगे. हम उतना अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन उसमें नहीं दे पाएंगे जितना हमें उसके साथ अपना जो डिवोशन है, कंट्रीब्यूशन है, वो जस्टिफाई हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. ही एनवीज मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस. So during the conversation, you will come to know about that. Somewhere he envies Mr. Crocker Harris because he was enjoying the criticism of Mr. Crocker Harris. And why he was envious? Because Mr. Crocker Harris, he is very popular among the student. Even though Mr. Crocker Harris was a strict, hard teacher, but yet all the student love him, respect him. So this was only point. He envies Mr. Crocker Harris. So at the last, so my dear, first of all, go through this play, and you will come to know about that, the extract of the play. What I feel, so you will also feel the same, I think. गुड डीड्स आर नेवर लॉस्ट, कि जो अच्छे किए हुए काम है, अगर हम ट्रू हैं, अगर हम सही हैं, तो हमारे डीड्स कहीं भी अजाया या बेकार नहीं जाएंगे। वो कहीं ना कहीं उसका जो प्रोडक्टिव उसकी आउटपुट है वो सामने आनी ही आनी है। फाइन। मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस, he was very true person, he was hard working, he was laborious, he was diligent person, and if he would think about this, like कि स्टूडेंट उसको पसंद, उसको वाह वाह करें, उसको पसंद करे, उसको फेवरेट माने, तो शायद वो अपने प्रोफेशन के साथ जस्टिस नहीं कर पाता। बट ही फोकस्ड on his profession only. He just followed the true terms only. उसने जो सही है, सही टर्म्स है उसको फॉलो किया, और उसके जो डीड्स थे, उसकी जो ट्रू टर्म्स थे, उसका प्रोडक्टिव आउटपुट क्या निकला? टैप्लो मीन्स टैप्लो he couldn't help to appreciate Mr. Crocker Harris. Fine. So this is all about the lesson. Hope you will understand this when you will go through the lesson, and this summary will be beneficial for you. In case of any doubt or any query, you can just drop your messages in the personal window. Thank you.